What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Bar Chucking. I seen a new way to start some seeds, and I'm going to bring you along and show you how to do it. All you need is your soil seed starting mix and some bubble wrap. You're going to start off by adding some soil to the bubble wrap, and then you're going to start to roll it up. Once you get it rolled up, you're going to need to do it faster so you don't lose the soil. Go around it with a rubber band. At the top and the bottom. To kind of help hold everything together. In this case, I'll top off a little bit more soil here. And what I'm going to be planting in here is peas. This is the little marble pea. I'll put the tag in there so I don't lose it. I did have the peas soaking in water for about 2 hours. And then I'm just going to start working them around. About every inch or so. That's how I'm planting them out. Okay, and then I also push them down about double to 3 times the size of the pea. I will top off just with a little bit more soil and add a little water to that. And then this is going to go into another tray. I have 2 more rounds to do, and I'll bring you back when they're done. This will be the peas home for the next few weeks. I have the little marvel that I showed you guys. I have the sugar snap and an Alaskan variety. I did go ahead, the ends of the bubble wrap I kind of all have in the corner, so hopefully that helps hold them all together. I will continue to water the top of them until I see the green growth, and then I'll start watering the bottom so that soil can absorb the liquid and let those roots chase down for the liquid and the nutrients. It's been a little over 2 weeks. At 2 weeks, I started bringing them outside to get them acclimated to the light. So I was doing 1 hour, then 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours. Then once I hit 8 hours, they've been outside ever since. So I started this on Monday, and today's Saturday, April 5th. And I started these March 18th. So they look great. I'm about to put them in. I do have this for them to start climbing up, so I'm going to hammer that in. I am super excited to see how this looks. You can see there's water coming out the bottom, so I'm just going to take the rubber bands off. So check that out. A couple of these, like the tendrils, did go ahead and kind of tie each other up. So I did have to kind of break a couple of those off. But for the most part, everything stayed together. So now I'm going to go ahead, there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead, dig a trench, and then I can lay this right into the trench. I probably shouldn't have added this fencing just yet, but I will make it work. Yep, definitely a little more difficult than what I needed it to be. Ow. Oh. Well, I'll just keep adding the peas right down the line. This is the little marvel. And this first one was the Alaskan. And very happy to see this bed is just loaded up with worms. Okay, so let's see if I can do this a slightly better way. And this is what I was just telling you about the other one. Some of these tendrils. I'm gonna have to kind of just break those that are grabbing right now. They should go ahead and grow back. Plenty of tendrils for climbing. If you plan on doing this, or if I go ahead and rewatch this for next year, I don't want to put anything here, so then I can lay it out and just drop it right into the planting hole. So see, now that it's all laid out, I can come in here, get these guys to drop, actually even bend them back towards me. And then backfill the planting hole. So I will have to add one more T-post and another piece of the galvanized fence for them to trellis on. Definitely super happy with this. I am gonna give these guys a little water, hopefully settle the roots. We do have some rain coming in the next few days, so hopefully that'll keep them nice and moist and allow them to keep growing and grab this trellis and continue to thrive. Make sure you guys go ahead, like and subscribe so you can come follow along and see how these peas grow for the spring before summer takes over and they die back. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.